Hi Fit Fam, welcome to Tips from Stella Fitness and our full workout to minimize on the hip dips for wider hips. Just continue marching in sport with me so that we warm up our bodies, preparing the heart and the muscles for this workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're returning, I am very happy to be having you. Of course, there's no problem with having hip dips. Some people don't mind them, while others prefer wider hips, like myself. I do have hip dips, so this workout is great for me as well. And to achieve this, we are going to be focusing on the gluteus muscle, one of the biggest, actually the biggest muscle in our body, mainly the maximus, because that is what is responsible for the wider hips when it gets growing. So next we are going to move into the lunge and a front kick back. Just get into position, tummy towards the spine, and you will lunge back, get back and kick forward. Lunge back, get back and kick forward. Let's do 10 of these. Back, kick, lunge, back and kick, lunge, back. Just give me 2 more. Lunge back and kick, lunge back and lift your knee and the other leg. Lunge back, get back, lift, lunge back, get back and lift abs towards the spine and keep breathing and lift, lunge back and lift, lunge back and lift. Just give me 2 more and 1 more. Lunge back, get back and lift that knee. Next we are moving on to squats with the sidewalk. So you're going to squat, move to the right and to the left and get up. Squat to the right, to the left and up. Let's do 10 of these. Squat to the right, to the left and up. Squat to the right, to the left and back. Squat. Go as low as you can go. Just give me 2 more. It doesn't matter if we do more than I've asked us to do, guys. And just give me just 1 more. And you want to get up. And next you want to move into swinging your leg onto the side. Pull your abs towards the spine. And we are going to focus on 10 per leg. Give me 1 more. Pull those abs towards the spine. Keep breathing. And the other leg, you want to kick to the side, raising your leg to as high as you can. Feeling your body working, your glutes working. Just give me 1 more and we shall be repeating this set just 1 more time, beginning with the lunge and leg lift. Lunge, lift your leg up, your knees, and let's focus on 10 per leg. Just give me 2 more. Lunge, back and 1 more. Lunge, back and lift. And the other leg, you want to lunge, back, raise knee, lunge, back and raise your knee, lunge back, raise your knee, feeling your glutes working as you lunge back and your entire lower body working as you lift your leg, lunge back and lift, lunge back and lift, lunge back and lift, lunge back and lift. Just give me 2 more, lunge back and lift, 1 more, lunge back and lift, and getting into that squat again. So you want to squat, move to the right and to the left and back, squat to the right, to the left, back. Just give me 10 of these, guys. You're doing amazing. Keep going. Pull those abs towards the spine and back, squat, back, squat. Don't we all love doing squats? Squat, squat and up, squat and up. Just give me 2 more, squat, up, 1 more, and get up, guys. Getting into that leg raise just 1 more time, giving me 10 of these, guys. Feeling your whole body actually sweating by now, because I am sweating, and we are working on those hips, feeling them working as you raise your leg. Just give me 2 more. It's okay if we do a little bit more. And the other side, make sure you're not falling and tripping like I try to do. Keep stable, pull your abs towards the spine, keep breathing, keep going. You're doing amazing. How are you feeling by now? Let me know in the comment section below when you are done working out with me. By the way, I'm very grateful to have you working out with me. We really need to motivate each other to keep fit, so thank you for joining me. Just give me 3 more and 2 more and 1 more, and relax it out. Now you want to be grabbing your mat, because we are going to be meeting down on the mat for the rest of the workout. And if you like, you can use this as a break. Go grab some water, make sure you're hydrated, and get back, and we shall be meeting right down on the mat. And down on the mat, we are going to begin with side knee openers, or the fire hydrant. Just get into position, pull your abs towards the spine, and we shall begin with 1, keep breathing, 2, focusing on 10 per leg, 3, feeling those glutes working and growing. Just give me 2 more and 1 more, and we shall be moving to the other leg. I'll turn so to show you properly. So begin with 1, keep breathing, 2, pull those abs towards the spine, give me 2 more, raising your leg to as high as you can go, and 1 more, raise and bring it back. And next, you still want to stay on your 4s. We are going to begin with leg kickback. So pull your abs towards the spine, just reach out your leg to as far as you can go and back, and reach out and back, just giving me a straight leg, focusing on 10 per side. This is a very good move for lifting and sculpting your butt as well. And back, back. Just give me one more. Reach out, hold it right there for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and bring it back down. And let's get onto the other leg. That will be the right leg for myself. Just reach out and back, pulling those abs towards the spine. Reach back and come back. Reach out, giving me a straight leg and reaching out to as far as you can go. And back. Just give me 2 more. Reach out. And 1 more. On the last one, you will hold it right there for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you want to bring it back down. Next, we want to be lying down onto our sides. Just lie down and be comfortable. Next, you want to bring your knees and hips to 45 degrees, and you want to slightly lift your legs off the ground, and you will begin opening the leg on top and bringing it back. Open and bring it back. Open, feeling that work in your muscles, guys. I can feel it. I hope you are feeling it too. Open and close. Just give me 10 of these. Open and close. The lower leg is working as well. Open and close. Just feeling comfortable, but feeling that work in your glutes, in your quads, in your entire lower body. Open and close. Just give me 2 more. Open and close. Just 1 more. Open and close. I bet you're feeling the work on your hips, guys. And just get up. We are going to move on to the other side. Just get down comfortably 1 more time. And you want to bring your knees and hips to 45 degrees, raising your legs, and you want to begin opening and close. Open and close. Feeling your glutes working, feeling your quads working, your entire lower body working. I actually feel the heat, guys. Open and close. Open and close. Open, close. Open, close. Open and close. Open and close. Just give me 2 more. Open and close. 1 more. Open and close. I feel the fire, guys. Bringing your legs down, getting up, and we are going to get into the final stretching, coming to the end of our workout. You want to get onto your back. We are going to begin with knee hugs. So you want to reach out your legs, and you want to begin with the right leg. Bring your knee towards your chest, and you want to be holding it right there for 20 seconds. You can do some ankle rotations while at it, and you want to feel that gentle stretch in your glutes, in your quads, in your entire lower body, holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down, and the other leg, bring it towards your chest, hugging it over there. And we want to be holding this for 20 seconds. You can hold it as long as you desire. You can go up to 30 seconds or even more. Stretching is always good, the best part and one of many's favorite part of workouts. Keep holding this right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to bring it down. Next, you want to raise your legs off the ground, and you want to pull your arms towards the spine, having a flat back. And we are going to be holding this stretch for 30 seconds. So just keep raising your feet and pulling in those abs towards the spine. Very good stretch for the glutes, very good stretch for the legs, very good stretch for strengthening our back, our abs. Just keep holding this right there. Actually, you can feel your abs working while at it. Just continue holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and and bring them down slowly. Well done. And you want to turn and sit up, and you want to breathe in and breathe out, breathing in all the oxygen and out, breathing in and out. Just one more time, breathe in and out. Coming to the end of our workout, guys. A high five if you made it this far with me. Thank you very much again for joining me, and well, that is just about it for today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any question or something to tell me. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family on social media. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family over here and we become workout buddies. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.